In this guide, I'll show you the best DNS settings for your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down and we're going to go to System Settings. Then scroll down to Internet Settings. From here, you want to navigate over and select Internet Settings, and then it's going to look for your Wi-Fi network. So after a few seconds, you should see all the networks start to pop up, and here you'll be able to see your saved network. So we're going to press A to select OK on it, and then you want to go to Change Settings. Now, once you're here, you're going to see a bunch of information. You can scroll down, and where it says DNS settings, it will be on automatic by default. So we're going to change it to manual. Now, where it says primary DNS, you want to erase these numbers. And once you've erased them, we're going to be using the Cloudflare DNS, which is known as being one of the fastest. So what you want to type in is 1.1.1.1, and then you can press OK. And then for the secondary DNS, erase all of these zeros. And after you've done that, we're going to be typing in 1.0.0.1. Then you can press OK, and you want to save these settings. Now, after a few seconds, it'll say settings have been saved, and then you just want to test out your internet on your Nintendo Switch 2 to see if there's any improvement in your speeds. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.